buy for me? Do you see her out there bobbing freely? Stiff well.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about the video that you're watching right now. So let's get into it. So WeQueen sent me over this beautiful bob headband wig, and I was so excited because I was like, I need to try this. So this is the packaging. This is what the packaging looked like. I'm a sucker for good packaging. It says affordable beginners wigs. And yes, we like that. We like affordable, good wigs. So in the packaging, I received a couple of the headbands, and I definitely will be trying on every last one of them just to see how they look and how they will match, and just all the different styles of headband wigs headbands that they sent me. And also in the packaging, it came with a little satin cloth, like a little satin bag kind of thing, where you can put the wig into the bag when you're done to keep, the texture and everything intact. Came with a wig cap, of course, the instructions on how to wash the wig and how to take really good care of it, which I probably won't need, but it's good information if you are new to these type of things. So here is their grab and go headband wig. And of course, it's a bob, like I said. 1B, 100% human hair. I always like to smell it because sometimes this hair has a smell, and I'm just kind of like, what is this smell? But this didn't have a smell, so we're good. So if you're new to this and not true to this, headband wigs always come with of course, a headband with a Velcro strap. It has 3 combs in the front, and it also has combs in the back, and then also adjustable straps to fit your head. Will I say this is a big head friendly? It could possibly be. My head is not as big as I thought, so if it really snugged, especially with all 3 combs, so I didn't really have a problem with it being too big. It fits very good. So if you have a big head, it may be a little too small, but to each his own. Just however you feel you like your wigs to fit. Like I said, mine was a bit snug, and yeah, but the body, look at stiff wear. Stiff wear. Yeah, but the body on it and the texture was bomb. Like I said, it was 100% human hair, so you definitely can tell. Combing through it was no shedding at all. I don't know if it's because the hair was shorter, but it wasn't shedding at all. So right now I'm just putting all 3 combs in just so it can stay snugged. And I really will not have a problem with nobody snatching this wig off because this wig was tight, honey. Tight. Now I'm just showing you the back because this is just to show you the Velcro strap and how you can just, make sure none of the back is showing. The strap covers all of that. And now I'm being silly. Anyways, just look at the body and the way it flows. So I straightened it a little bit just to show you guys the length, and this is pretty much it. I'm gonna get into the headbands. This is the back, full of body, and it's actually thicker. The density is thicker than I thought it was gonna be, so I was like, it's not all skimpy. Some box be real skimpy, but it wasn't. So this is the first headband wig, and for the rest of the video, I'm just gonna be showing you the different styles of headbands. You can purchase them on the site, or you can go out and buy your own, but I really liked all the colors that they sent over to me, so thank you, WeQueen. But as far as my whole review on this hair, I absolutely love it. I love the bob headband wig a lot. I felt like it was more natural, and I felt like it looked more real, like more natural, real hair. What I will say is that it's not many hairstyles you can do with this, so that's probably like the only con that I have. It's like, because it's a bob, like who really puts their bob in a high ponytail? Nobody. I never seen nobody do that. But anyways, I tried to put it up halfway, half up, half down, I mean, but honey, you're gonna see it in a little bit. It was just not it at all. I love this headband. I feel like this was my favorite one out of all of the bunch. But other than styles, you can't really style it much. I'm just showing you just how it flows. But I would highly recommend this wig, you guys. And I'm not just saying that because I'm reviewing it. I really liked it. I'm pretty sure if I really put some heat and stuff to it and really, you know, really do it. I feel like I did it, but not. See, this is what I was talking about. No. But anyways, other than that, I will put the link to shop in the description box. And I hope I covered everything. And that is pretty much it. I like that headband too. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to shop. WeQueen, thank you for sending me this beautiful wig. I'm so in love with it. And wait for my next video. Bye guys. Have a blessed week.